time, sir, it is more than 10 months now. Honorable Minister Sahab had said that we are going to start the work. I heard him. But it is 10 months now. Sir, we need to start that work, complete this work. It has been so long that it has been pending, sir. Will the Irrigation Minister Sahab enlighten us on SLBC tunnel issue and spell out? You have spoken, I said, sir, but I wanted to know when are we going to complete this? It is a very long pending project, sir. I hope that the government will immediately take it up more seriously and try to, complete all these projects, sir. Sir, also, Honorable Irrigation Minister Sahab has given a detailed PowerPoint presentation on the same issue also. Incidentally, in his second PowerPoint presentation on Krishna waters by the Honorable Minister Sahab, he had made an earlier presentation on Krishna waters on 12th February 2024 also. So we have all the patience, sir. We always sit, we always listen, we always see everything. The reason is that your interest is the state's interest. Your interest is for the people. So we do not want to show that we are not interested in this. We are more interested than you. We stand with you. But as far as the right of our waters and our share is that, we need to fight it more firmly, more strongly, sir. This is what is needed, sir. Sir, I may point out that I have spoken a dozen of occasions on irrigation sector, including Krishna River waters in the Assembly in last 2 years since the Congress resumed the power in December 2023, sir. Sir, as I had earlier said, sir, I'm repeating it again, sir, in my legislative career of 26 years in this August House, I might have debated on the irrigation sector more than 250 times, sir. I went and I counted. So this is my 251 times, sir. Sir, and sir, there are so many occasions that I have spoken on this. Like, sir, discussion of motion of thanks of governor's address, state budget, demand, grants, appropriation bill, governor's resolution, white paper statement, short discussion. Sir, but it is a sad commentary that for the last 7 decades, firstly in United Andhra Pradesh, from 1956 to 2014 and subsequently Telangana state since 2014, the successive governments have been unsuccessful in resolving the issue relating to river water sharing with neighboring states, sir. The successive governments have been unable to complete the irrigation project with a stipulated time frame or execute them. The original approved project cost resulting in extreme time and cost overruns, sir. The successive governments from Congress, Telugu Desam Party in United Andhra Pradesh and TRS, BRS and now Congress, Telangana state have sought to blame the earlier regimes for their own act of omission in the irrigation sector and river sharing, sir. River water sharing, sir. Sir, the present Congress government in the assembly session in last 2 years have presented white paper on Telangana state irrigation sector, introduced a government resolution on Krishna waters issue, allowed short discussion of Kaleshwaram project and Justice Panaki Chandra Ghosh Commission's inquiry report. Apart from debates on demand for grants for irrigation sector for the financial year 2024-2025, sir. Sir, we have spoken extensively, sir. But what I have observed in 26 years is that, sir, we just keep on speaking. And I'm sorry to say, sir, irrigation projects have become an ATM, sir. Let it be anybody. Let it be anybody, sir. Mr. Ponna Lakshmaya was the irrigation minister then, I remember, sir. It has, I don't know what is happening, sir, and why is this happening. And, sir, more than the people of the states getting benefited, it is the contractors who are getting benefited, sir. Sir, we talk about the irregularities which has been happened by the BRS government. So why are we not looking into the irregularities of the contractors? Sir, sir, there are very few people, who don't go from here to there or there to here. Usme se hame. Magar, sir, I'll tell you, sir, more than anybody, the real people who are enjoying the benefits of any government are the contractors. It was the same contractor who was the beloved, आंखों का नूर था, आंखों का तारा था, दिल के करीब था केसीआर साहब के, वही कॉन्ट्रैक्टर अब किसके आंखों का नूर है नहीं मालूम। इरिगेशन मिनिस्टर साहब की आंखों का तारा है या गवर्नमेंट का है या हमारे चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब के दिल के करीब है, क्या है नहीं मालूम सर, किसके करीब है नहीं मालूम। वो रहे तो उनके करीब रहा, ये रहे तो इनके भी करीब रहा। हाँ, इनके भी करीब है। यस यस, यू राइट सर, इनके भी करीब है, बहुत करीब है। अब मैं नाम लेना नहीं चाहता सर, नाम ले भी सकता हूं, इनके भी करीब है सर। ये इनके ऊपर इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए सर, क्यों इंक्वायरी नहीं होती सर? आप इरिगेशन की बात करते हैं सर। सर, आई हैव द रिकॉर्ड्स एंड अर्लियर आई हैव आल्सो स्पोकन अबाउट द सेम जेंटलमैन हु एवरीबॉडी इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग हु एम आई स्पीकिंग अबाउट। सर, दिस जेंटलमैन वाज allotted the painting of government school contract also. Yes, by who? The BRS. Sir, this same gentleman was also allotted furniture for government schools. Sir, iron schools, sir, I provide 20,000 children a free education. I have benches, I took benches, a same size of bench, which I took for 3,000. I was going it and I was seeing, sir, that gentleman was given a contract for the same length and breadth, same number of seater for 15,000. 15,000. We can imagine, sir, if the barrage has gone, if anything has happened wrong in the irrigation projects, why are we not holding them responsible also, sir? Why are we not handing over their irregularities also to CBI, sir? I know they are very close to them. CBI might not do justice, but at least we can have an inquiry, sir. We can expose them. We can say that what corrupt practice they indulged in. Sir, the same contractor, sir, I remember, sir. The same contractor, I remember, sir. Sir, I was seeing Uttam Kumar Reddy साहब presentation, पूरा सारी चीजें देखा साहब, पानी रखने के लिए जगह नहीं है, मगर सारी दूसरी चीजें तो है सर उसमें, क्योंकि पैसा था उसमें, आना था. Sir, the same thing happened, sir. When Mr. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy sir was there, sir, गोदावरी waters हैदराबाद के लिए लाने की बात करें सर. सर वो जो सर पानी यहां है, तो पानी यहां है तो यहां से ऐसा लाइन जाना है ना सर, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता. नहीं सर, पानी आपके पास था, लाइन वहां से शुरू हुई थी सर. I raised it that time also. The same contractor. It was beginning for him then. He was a struggling contractor then. राजशेखर रेड्डी साहब का हाथ था, फिर वो हाथ के बाद में केसीआर साहब का, फिर उसके बाद में चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब, माफ करना बोलूंगा, आप बोलेंगे क्या बोल रहे हैं अकबर साहब, आप मेरे दोस्त हैं. आप जिसको बड़े भाई बोले उनका हाथ था. उनका हाथ, सबके हाथों के साथ एक कॉन्ट्रैक्टर. मैं सर, थ्रू यू सर, आई रिक्वेस्ट माई लर्नेड फ्रेंड, माई गुड फ्रेंड, a colleague who I respect a lot, who I look upon a lot, because he is my senior also. I have learned from him also, Mr. Uttam Kumar Reddy Sahab. Sir, kindly don't be close to such people, sir. You should write and give it from your ministry to the Honorable Chief Minister. We do not want such contractors. It is very important, sir. They are minting money, sir. No. आप परेशान मत होइए साहब, आप परेशान मत होइए. नहीं, आप परेशान मत होइए. आपको शेरवानी पहनने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. आपको पहनने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. सिर्फ आप एक ही काम करो. मैं इनको एक ही बात बोलूंगा सर, हिंदुत्व के चैंपियंस है. अगर मैं तो शेरवानी पहनने में फख्र महसूस करता हूं. माथे पे तिलक लगा के आ जाओ सर, बहुत टाइम देते, लगा के आ जाओ. शेरवानी मत पहनो. शेरवानी पहने तो क्या बोलेंगे, एमआईएम की बी टीम बोलेंगे आपको. वो मत पहनो. हमारे को बोलते हैं बी टीम बोल के, अब उसके बाद बोलेंगे हाँ ये तेलंगाना बीजेपी एमआईएम की बी टीम में बोलेंगे. सर आप जा ठहरो सर. इफ आई सर काइंडली गिव मी सम टाइम सर. आई एम नॉट वेस्टिंग टाइम सर. Sir, I sat here, I saw the PowerPoint presentation, I did my study, I prepared my note, I have come back, sir. And I don't think I'm wasting the time, I'm giving some good suggestions, sir. Sir, it is also almost 3 decades that we have been talking about Krishna water sharing dispute. Firstly with Karnataka in United AP and with residuary Andhra Pradesh ever since the formation of Telangana state in 2014. The issue of raising of height of Alamatti Dam on river Krishna by Karnataka figured in the House for many occasions in 1995, sir. I remember, sir, when Mr. Janardhan Reddy was the leader of the Congress legislature party, sir, at that time, he had fought, sir. Sir, I would say, sir, without any hesitation, sir, it was due to the failure of the then AP Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu that the Karnataka succeeded in raising the height of Alamatti Dam, thereby causing harm to the riparian interest of AP and now Telangana, sir. When he was the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, we lost our rights, sir. And now, after the bifurcation of the state, now he is again taking and snatching away the rights of the share of the state of Telangana, sir. Sir, the height of the Alamatti Dam controversy, Mr. Naidu Sahab got the then Karnataka Chief Minister. I'll give a small history, sir, why I say this. Sir, the height of Alamatti Dam, Naidu Sahab got the then Karnataka Chief Minister, H.D. Deve Gowda, elevated as Prime Minister of the United Front government in 1996. With the support of Congress led by former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao and the TDP on the other parties. And the then PM Deve Gowda constituted a committee of 4 chief ministers chaired by West Bengal Chief Minister Jyoti Basu to resolve the interstate dispute among Maharashtra, Karnataka and AP over Alamatti Dam issue. Even as, this is a history, sir, even as Jyoti Basu committee and 4 members expert committee were looking into the issue, the Karnataka government under the Janata Dal CM J.H. Patel illegally continued the construction of Alamatti Dam on war footing for raising the height of dam for 519.6 meters to 525.25 meters for impounding higher quantum of water. Incidentally, United AP government took the dispute over Alamatti Dam to Supreme Court but could not get any relief, sir. Pronouncing the judgment in the original suit 2 of 1997, the other writ petitions between State of AP versus State of Karnataka and others, on 25th April 2000, the 5-member bench of Supreme Court, headed by Justice S.B. Majumdar, dismissed and disposed the original suit and other petitions without giving any relief to the Andhra Pradesh, sir. Subsequently, the Krishna Water Dispute Tribunal 2, headed by Brijesh Patel, upheld its award of 2010 by raising the height of Alamatti Dam from 519.60 meters to 525.26 meters, sir. So whose failure was this, sir? Who's responsible for this? This also needs to be brought to the notice of the people of the state of Telangana, sir. So the KWDT2 asked the Government of India to appoint Krishna Water Division Implementation Board giving representation to Karnataka, Maharashtra and AP as well as Government of India. Pronouncing the judgment in original suit number 1 2006, other writ petitions and contempt petition between the State of AP versus State of Maharashtra and others 20th February 2013, 3-judge bench of Supreme Court headed by Justice R.M. Lodha dismissed and disposed the original suit and other petition without giving any relief to AP. Sir, I can point out that the story of irrigation projects in erstwhile United Andhra Pradesh and now Telangana state is a sad story of broken promises, loop-sided priorities, clumsy implementation and prolonged delays and manifold cost escalation and financial loot in the irrigation sector, sir. Is a financial loot, I would say, sir. Sir, I feel very sad, sir, when our farmers are suffering, when the students are suffering for scholarship, when our finances are in a very bad shape. Our state is struggling, I know, sir. We are in debt, sir. हम खर्च में डूबे हुए हैं, लेकिन सर इरिगेशन के प्रोजेक्ट्स लेने वाले सारे कॉन्ट्रैक्टरों की ईद रहती है, मौज रहती है, मस्ती रहती है, सर. It is a very sad state, sir. So the TDP government and the Chief Minister N.T. Rama Rao and Chandrababu Naidu launched several irrigation projects, but could not ensure their timely completion, sir. Similarly, the Congress which ruled the AP state without a break from 1956 till 1983 and again from 89-94 and 2004 and 14 took up many irrigation projects but failed to ensure the timely completion, sir. Incidentally, both the Congress TDP governments failed to protect the interests of Telangana in sharing the Krishna waters. In fact, these two parties took turn to expedite the irrigation projects in coastal Andhra and Rayalaseema, sir. at the cost of Telangana riparian interest in United AP, sir. Putti Reddy Padu, sir. I still remember, sir. Putti Reddy Padu, sir. It was a race, sir. Yes. Sir, I remember, sir, I stood here all alone. I was fighting. Then other members of TRS, the then TRS came. Sir, always injustice has been done. And when the time of delivering a justice was given by the formation of the Telangana state, the then leaders started minting money out of these irrigation projects, sir. Sir, our party has been consistent in seeking protection of Telangana's riparian interests even when we were in United AP, and now after formation, we had opposed when the TDP government had turned a blind eye on Alamatti Dam, which was bound to adversely affect the Krishna water into AP in 1995. We have also protested when the Congress government and YSR has increased Putti Reddy Padu head regulator Srisalam from 11,150 cusecs to 44,000 cusecs in 2005 for Rayalaseema project at the expense of Telangana's interests, sir. We again oppose the proposal of the residuary AP government of Jagan Mohan Reddy to further increase the drawal capacity of Putti Reddy Padu head regulator to 80,000 cusecs in the year 2020, sir, to benefit Rayalaseema, thereby adversely affecting the interest of Telangana. I again remember, sir, in 2020, sir, it was the MIM party and me which has raised this issue, sir. And I would like to say that I'm this quantity is available. When it is available, why are we not utilizing it, sir? Sir, there have always been restriction in flow in Krishna from Karnataka over the Andhra and Telangana regions early 2013 and 14 AP and Telangana after June 2014. So when there is less availability of existing and ongoing projects, how can the state get additional quantum of Krishna water for the 7 contemplated projects which require 206.5 TNC of irrigation to for irrigating 23,07,983 acres? When the assured water are not available, where is the question of Telangana getting surplus water or flood flows from the contemplated project? I may point out that allocation of 811 TMC for both AP Telangana under the KWD1 include the share of Srisailam Dam and Nagarjuna Sagar. This share, Telangana faced the water crunch. In Krishna and Srisailam and the Karnataka now, Krishna and Srisailam and the Karnataka now complete Godavari Krishna link